Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm here with our 1935 Ford, and this is part 3 of getting our intake installed. And today we're going to be putting some of our accessories back on. We're going to get our alternator on first. That's the first thing we're going to do. Alright, now that we got our alternator on, we're going to snug it in position before we get our belts and everything else on. Alright, we got most of our fuel line done. We got our belt tightened. Now we're getting ready to put our radiator hoses on. And here we have the hose that we cut. And this is what it looked like we started with. And then in this middle section here, we're gonna cut this chrome hose to go there because the radiator set up for the original engine, which is a 21 stud. And then this is what it will look. It'll look somewhat like this one that was on the car when we got it, when we're done. Alright, now we're getting ready to cut our chrome pipes here. We cut the one side already. And we have gloves in here to protect our finish. We have the hose clamp as a guide. And then we're using a hacksaw to cut it. When we get towards the end of the pipe, we're going to take the clamp off so we don't cut the adjuster off of the clamp. And now we're going to take a file to cut off any of the rough edges from cutting it. Now we're gonna cut our black hoses, that way we could see more of the chrome pipe. And we got this cobalt hose cutter at Lowe's. We're putting some RTV seal here on our heads where the pipe goes on, radiator hose, because we want to give it a better surface to seal on because it'll be more smooth. Alright, now we got our upper radiator hoses on, got our clamps on, got them tightened down. Now we're going to start to fill it up with antifreeze and hopefully test fire it. Alright, we got everything on. We got our 2 carb intake installed, fixed all of our leaks. It's running good so far. We just got to take it up the road for a fine tune this spring when all the salt's off the road, and we'll be good to go. That's going to be the end for today's video though. If you like these videos, don't forget to please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.